Even my colleague Shivadasan was attacked at least half a dozen times by the monkeys. They can dismantle Aravali. The Kerala has protected, expanded the forest cover. Sir, any sensible country, when a particular species crosses the threshold, a culling is provided. Not in India, sir.
Dr. John Britas ji.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we are for nature-centric approach, but certainly, sir, human beings, their lives and livelihoods should have a space in it. So the nation is paying a heavy price for concentration of power in Delhi, sir. It's playing a havoc. Sir, the rising human-animal conflict, that itself is an irony, sir. There is no conflict. It's a unilateral attack on the human beings. Sir, it's creating problems for the agriculture, farmers. Even urban habitats are under threat in Kerala, sir. Sir, when I talked in terms of concentration of power, Jayaraj Rameshji always gleefully boasts that Srimati Gandhi could demonstrate her master craftsmanship in taking this forest and environment from the state list to Kangar list. Sir, left to people like him, he would love to have Malayalis vacate Kerala so that wild boars, monkeys, and elephants will roam around, sir. That is their attitude. Sir,
You understood the
sir,
problem.
I am addressing, sir. I am
Don't
addressing serious
get into
matter,
the-
sir. Sir, when I talk in terms of the
Britas, please address
attitude
the
of
issue,
when I
please.
talk in terms of attitude of people with regard to the power of the states, I always accuse them. Srimati Gandhi's period, all these were taken out of state list. Not Srimati Gandhi means not Sonia Gandhi, sir. Unlike many of her colleagues, she is very benevolent to Kerala. Sir, even in Delhi, sir, I am living in South Avenue because of the monkey menace, stray dogs, cattle. See the life, feast and misery. Even my colleague Shivadasan was attacked at least half a dozen times by the monkeys. Sir, let us understand the problem, sir. Sir, the Wildlife Protection Act was amended at least 7 times, and most of the times it were made harsher, sir. Sir, in Kerala, 555 human lives have been lost. We requested the government to declare wild boar as vermin. He said wild boar is required because the tiger should have the food, sir. That is the strange rationale of the minister. They can dismantle Aravali. The Kerala has protected, expanded the forest cover. You can look at the statistics, sir. So we want proper amendment of the Wildlife Act so that the states are empowered to declare certain species as vermin. Sir, any sensible country, when a particular species crosses the threshold, a culling is provided. Not in India, sir. Sir, let us be reasonable. Let us understand the farmers, the agriculture have to survive. It's a large chunk of population in this country, sir. Please
Yes,
protect
Miss
Kerala.
Swati Maliwal ji.